And Tuesday, November 8th, started out fairly slow, but picked up as the day went on a little bit in the morning. While everyone was watching for the CPI number coming on Thursday, bond traders were worried about issuance. This is the old supply and demand argument. This refers to the regularly scheduled Treasury auction cycle, plus a variable slate of corporate bonds which have picked up recently. Corporate supply has ramped up at the start of the week, resulting in Treasury underperformance and MBS overperformance. There's also been some rumors regarding European bond issuances coming down the pipe, which adds a lot to the supply side of the equation. When we started the day, MBS were up 13 basis points and stocks were flat. By the end of the day, we ended up being up 47 basis points and stocks were on the positive side by 21 points. From a non-political viewpoint and solely based off of bond market and inflation, whether Republicans or Democrats have a majority of control, it makes passing spending bills much easier. Now remember, whether it's right or wrong, left or right, spending is inflationary. So that was some good insights from MBS Highway this morning. The October NFIB Small Business Optimism Index fell to 91.3 from 92.1. Owners were worried about future sales from a recession and don't want to hire because of that, and also inflation being their biggest concern. A net 50% of companies reported raising prices. Retailers and wholesalers most widely reported raising prices. The frequency of reported price increases was highest among the retail trades at 69%, followed by 64% in retail. Other industry group average about 50% raising prices, with the exception of professional services, which were up 20%, probably just to cover their own cost of living. Vehicle sales index fell 2.2% month over month, and they are now down 10.6% year over year. Auto delinquency 60 plus days increased to 1.5% in Q3, which is low, but it is trending up. Bonds had one big push of buying momentum after the 9:30 a.m. NYSE open, potentially linked, like I said, to headlines regarding European bond issuance estimates. Momentum leveled off and drifted sideways at stronger levels for the remainder of the day. Like I said, ended up 47 basis points to the positive at 98.84, which brought us just above that 25-day moving average. So we'll have to see if that holds tomorrow. A lot of it will probably have to do with perceptions of election results. We also got a post from our sponsor at WellThatMakesSense.com. This is another post from the great book Persuasion, which is all about influencing people before you try to sell them things. According to this non-traditional channeled attention method, to get desired action, it's not necessary to alter a person's beliefs or attitudes or experiences. It's not necessary to alter anything except for what's prominent in their mind at the moment of decision, and a lot of times they don't even know what that is. So this is how you structure that moment before decision. So check it out at WellThatMakesSense.com.